What if two simple ingredients sitting in your home right now could help support your health in surprising ways? Today, we're exploring a powerful natural combination: baking soda and castor oil. When used correctly, this duo has been talked about for generations as a home remedy for a variety of everyday concerns. But what actually happens when you mix them? And can they really make a difference? Let's find out. First, let's break it down. Baking soda is known for its natural cleansing and balancing properties. It's often used to help neutralize acidity and gently exfoliate the skin. Castor oil, on the other hand, is rich, thick, and deeply moisturizing. It's been traditionally used to support skin health, reduce dryness, and even soothe irritation. Now imagine combining these two. To create this mixture, simply combine a small amount of baking soda with enough castor oil to form a smooth paste. That's it. No complicated steps, no expensive ingredients. People use this blend in several ways: as a gentle skin scrub to remove dead skin cells, to help soften rough areas like elbows and heels, as part of a routine to support clearer-looking skin. Some even apply it to areas of discomfort, which may help promote relaxation and circulation. However, it's important to be realistic. This is not a miracle cure. While many people swear by natural remedies, results can vary from person to person. And remember, your skin is sensitive. Always test a small area first and avoid overuse, especially if you have sensitive skin. True health doesn't come from a single remedy. It's built from daily habits, balanced nutrition, hydration, movement, and rest. Natural remedies like this can be a small, supportive part of that bigger picture. So, will baking soda and castor oil make health problems disappear? They might just become a simple, helpful addition to your self-care routine. Have you tried this combination before? Share your experience and stay curious about the natural solutions around you. Simple ingredients, smarter choices, better living. If you learned something from this video, share, like, and subscribe to the channel.